Hello, Assalamu alaikum, student. Let all the students join the class. Okay, Wafa is joining. Aisha is also joining. Okay.
मिस मैंने अपना ब्रोशर बना लिया.
Hamad, send the picture in WhatsApp now. With you.
Okay, miss.
Your
After the
picture.
class.
Did you see Shamir
Yes.
picture in WhatsApp?
Yes, miss.
In the same manner, send me picture.
Okay, miss. I will send you after the class.
Okay, very good. Kirat also have sent it. Very good, Kirat. I'm so happy to see the great efforts of Air 5. No? All are doing superb, remarkable job. Okay.
मिस आयशा जो फरवरी में ना आयशा दो आईडी से ज्वाइन हुई हुई है.
No, in my computer, it's only one ID is there.
मिस इन माय मोबाइल.
सर वो पहले था, अब उन्होंने लीव कर दिया.
यस
Okay.
मिस अब वन है. मिस अब वन लिखती हूँ.
Aisha, beti, open the video, otherwise I'm removing you. Okay, Fatma, Mateen, Hamad. More students are joining us. Today we don't have electricity now. I'm connected through data. So I really hope it will work fine. But if you are unable to get my voice, then do let me know. Fine?
Okay.
Do raise a hand and do let me know that everything is working fine. Because we don't have electricity and I'm
Teacher-
connected through mobile data, bete.
टीचर तो आप एक बच्चे को माइक खोले रखा और बाकी बच्चों को बंद कर दो.
Ji bete, you should quickly tell it to me if you don't get my voice. Okay?
Okay.
Let Fahad join the class. Okay, more students are joining. But please set the camera off. I want to see. Sit properly. Be attentive. I want to see everyone's face. Yes, very good. As Shamir is sitting, very good, Zainab. Come on, I want everyone sit in this manner. I want to see face of all the students. Ji Fahad, open the video. Please, Ji. Okay, today is a discussion day. So we'll be discussing if you are having any confusion in any topic, you can ask today. So it's your day today. If you wish to ask about anything, any grammar topic which is very confusing for you and very difficult for you, you can ask right now.
Okay.
So it's your day. One by one, raise hand and ask the question to me. If you do not understand any previous topic, conjunction, adverb, preposition, application, Do let me know. Fahad, I'm removing you. Shall I? Please. Fatima Madeen, adjust the video of yours. Please be attentive. Okay, Ahmed Afzal is joining us. Okay. Okay, wait.
And
More students are joining us. Let them join. G. Now, please, Ahmad, first your turn. Do let me know. Did you understand all the topic? Any problem in any topic?
No, miss.
Do you understand all the topic?
Yes.
All topics are clear. Monday we are
Yes,
having all grammar topic tests. Sure are clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, G. Shamir. Now you share with any topic which you want to understand and you wish to clear it.
no teacher, it's fine.
You understand all the topic? Are you ready for quiz and assessments? Okay.
Sir, आप तो भी
Okay, thumbs up there. G. Fahad, bete. All the topics are clear, my dear Fahad. Bete, really, I wish to ask everyone. In composition, we did two type of composition: picture composition and application writing. Clear? So if anything you did not get, please let me know. Fahad is not speaking. He's away now. Aisha Ilyas, bete, two IDs. Who is this with Aisha Ilyas ID? Ji Zainab Zafar, please ask.
टीचर कैन यू टीचर मुझे कंजंक्शन एक बार समझा देंगी?
Okay, you wish to understand conjunction. Okay, ठीक है. I will review it. Ji, Aisha, all the topics are clear to you? Show thumbs up, Zoom option, please. Okay, that's really great. Okay. Aisha got.
Teacher, I also.
Ji bete, which topic, Wafa bete?
Teacher, I also don't understand conjunction.
Okay, we will practice from start. Fatma Mateen, your turn, my dear. Speak up. Which topic you wish to review? Please, Fatma Mateen, speak up. Ahmed Afzal. All the topics are clear to you. Any topic which you wish to understand?
Composition.
Okay. Fatma Mateen, you wish to ask about anything? Let Samir join us. Okay, give me a second, Betty. Let me bring your worksheet set. We'll be doing worksheet from two worksheet of conjunction from worksheet set. Fine. So wait for 2 minutes. And please, all of you.
Can you? मैं एकदम अंधेरे में क्यों बैठी हुई थी? लाइट
मिस क्या लाइट प्रॉब्लम है? मिस क्या लाइट गई हुई है?
इसका नेट स्लो चल रहा होगा।
डाटा से करा हुआ है।
डाटा समझना खत्म हो गया।
I didn't mean you to talk too much during the class time.
मैं सब इतना अंधेरे में क्यों बैठी हूँ?
Betty, there is no electricity at my home. And I am connected through data, mobile data. Okay, Air 5, open the worksheet set of yours. Right now, page number. Okay, the conjunction topic started. The page number is not mentioned, but from look at the exercise, it's mentioned. Fill in the blank with appropriate conjunction. It is with correct coordinating conjunction. Look at this. The first blank is the rain is very dash. The game will probably not be played. Look at this worksheet quickly. Who will tell me the answer? It's a practice as well. And in this manner, we will review as well. The first type. What will come in this blank? Raise the hand who wish to tell. Ji Zainab, what will come? Ali Ahmad, be attentive, bete.
But
No, look at that. The rain is very heavy. Dash, the game will probably not be played. The option are and, but, and so. What will come? So, that's really great. Very good, Zainab. Have you all done with me? Now, look at the second. John works in a restaurant on which? Look at that, please. You all are looking at? John works in a restaurant on weekend. Dash during the week. What will come in that? The rain is, we have done this. John works in a restaurant on weekend. Dash during the week. What will come? And so, but. Aisha, do let me know.
And
Very good, Aisha. Excellent job. Now look at the third one. Sherry has a great job. Dash. She is very unhappy person. Third one, Ali Ahmad. Quickly let me know what will come.
Great job. Sherry has a great job, but the picnic was still cancelled.
Huh? We are on third, my dear. You are moving forward.
Sherry has a
third
great
one.
job, one teacher.
Sherry
Sherry has a great
Dash.
job,
She is very unhappy person. This one.
but she.
Yes, unmute yourself.
But
Ali
she
Ahmad.
is.
Very good. The answer is
Sherry
but
has
she.
a great job, but she is very unhappy person.
Very good. Excellent job. Okay. Now look at the fourth one. Let Kirat join the session. Okay. The sun is shining brightly. Dash, the picnic was still cancelled. What will come? Shamir, let me know.
बार-बार कॉल कर रहा है 7 9 से.
Shamir, speak up. What will come? The sun is shining brightly. Dash, the picnic was still cancelled. But so and what will come?
So teacher SO.
No, bete. The sun is shining brightly.
But teacher,
You will tell. Ji Shamir, again look at the sentence. Don't give the guesses. No, all answer you should not tell. Any one you have to select. Ji, Zainab, speak up.
but teacher, but
The sun is shining brightly, but the picnic was. Bete, look at that. The picnic was still cancelled.
and
No. Umar will tell. Ji Umar. Umar, sorry. Ji Umar, what will come?
The sun is shining brightly. Dash, the picnic was still cancelled.
What will come?
Cancelled.
so
Ji Umar.
Miss, इसमें आएगा मिस में जो ऑप्शन
Three
But
options
I
are
will
here:
never.
so, but, and.
but
So, but, or and.
So,
तो कैसे होगा देखो the sun is shining brightly so the picnic was still cancelled.
But the picnic was still cancelled. Clear?
Remember.
Okay, now look at the fifth one. Rita is an excellent violinist. That she will probably be chosen for the orchestra. Orchestra band को बोलते हैं. G, who will tell it to me? Fifth one. Sameer, speak up. Unmute yourself,
Teacher.
Sameer.
Rita is an excellent violist. She will probably be chosen for the orchestra. But
What will come? No.
so
Ahmad, tell me. G, Ahmad, what will come? Very good. So will come. Excellent job. The security lines are very long at the airport. Dash, you should probably leave early for your flight. What will
टीचर
come?
4 वाला क्या है?
Fifth one. You let me know what
टीचर
will come.
4 वाला क्या है?
Beti, the fifth one. Rita is an excellent violinist, so she will probably be chosen for the orchestra. This one we did. Now we are doing the security lines are very long. Number 6. What will come in that? G, please speak up. Shami, tell me, Beti, what will come? Ahmed Afzal, open the camera. What will come in this? Number 6.
Can I tell?
and
Wait. Ahmed Afzal should speak up, then I'll allow you with him. G, Ahmed Afzal, Beti, quickly speak up.
If I want to answer.
So many students wish to answer. Wait. I know, my dear. You all know it. Okay, Ahmed.
But
No, so will come again in number 6. Okay, now Ali Ahmed, your turn. Number 7. I will not go to the game dash. I will watch it on television. What will come in 7? Unmute.
yeah,
What will come?
I will not go to the game, but I will watch it on TV.
ठीक है. Very good. Mary has 6 brothers dash 11 cousins. G. Kirat,
and
what will come?
Sorry, हमने
Kirat, speak up, please. What will come in this?
Mary has 6 brothers and 11 cousins.
Very good. Number 9. I do not like pasta dash. I do like pizza. So Fahad will tell the answer. Yes, Fahad, what will come?
Teacher, I do not like pasta, but I like pizza.
But I do like. Do you skip? Max loves San
But
Francisco. Very good, Fahad. That is very good. It's correct answer. Now listen it. Max loves San Francisco. Dash is thinking of moving there. Last one.
teacher,
Ahmad, tell me answer. Number 10th.
so
Very good. Okay, look at the second worksheet of conjunction. The option are yet, Y-E-T, F-O-R for, nor, and O-R or. Start doing with me. Okay? Now you have to do this with me. Okay. Marsha doesn't play jazz. Dash the blues. She prefers hip hop and rap. Aisha Ilyas, speak up. What will come?
खाना भी खाना उठा लो.
Acha. Still you are eating the food. Who is eating it?
Teacher, 4.
Number 1.
4.
No, look at that. Now, Marsha doesn't play jazz. Dash the blues. She prefers hip hop and rap. Who will tell? Wafa, speak up. Ji, Wafa, speak up. You know, jazz or blues, both are games. जी बाबा quickly बेटे.
Teacher or
Very good. Very good, Wafa. Excellent job. Now, John doesn't like chicken. Dash, does he like pork or burgers? What will come? Shamir, speak up.
Teacher, nor.
Okay, that's really great. Awesome job. Now look at that. There will be, okay, third one. Sheila works hard. Dash, she doesn't make a lot of money. What will come in that? Omar, आप तो हॉर्न्स बना रहे हैं टू. Okay, now speak up. What is the answer?
But.
No, yet.
Yet.
Y-E-T, yet.
Yet. Why?
Okay, now look at the fourth one. The sun is very strong. Dash, Jaga still won't wear my sunscreen. Who will tell answer? Ali Ahmed. Ji, speak up, Ali Ahmed.
Teacher, or.
No, again, yet will come. I love you more than anything in the world. Dash, you are sweet and kind. Gee, what will come? I will love you more than anything in the world. Dash, you are very sweet and kind. I am now. Okay. Give the answer. Who will give answer? Hamad, give the answer.
yes, miss.
Yes, what will come in number 5th?
I love you more than anything in the world. Dash, you are sweet and kind.
What will come? Why I will love you more than?
Miss or
For, because the reason we are showing na, for you are very sweet or kind. ठीक, वो क्यों उसको बहुत चाहता है, ठीक है? Would you like coffee dash tea? I would prefer a cup of coffee. Sorry, coffee. Tea. Wafa, what will come? Not coffee,
Miss,
it's
can I
coffee. Na?
tell?
Ji Wafa, let Wafa should answer. Wafa, what will come? Number 6. Would you like coffee dash tea? Very good. Look at the 7. Look at the 7 one. Henry doesn't come from Mexico. Dash is from Brazil. He is from Honduras. Fahad, speak up. Number 7.
From Mexico.
Fahad.
Henry
Ji, 7.
does not come from Mexico.
but for for is from
Where did you go first? Let me know.
number
I'm
7.
unable to look at you.
Father is a
To move from the camera, asking the answer to someone. अब बताएं.
Number 7.
G. Nor she is N-O-R, nor will come. Number 8. Now, to let me know number 8. I will go to Montreal dash QB for the weekend. I am not sure. What will come? 8. Fatma Mateen, tell the answer.
Teacher, yes.
Fatma Mateen, tell the answer. G. Speak up. I'll go to Montreal dash QB for the weekend. What will come? Okay. Shamir, you tell answer. What will come?
Teacher, yet.
No. Look at that.
Teacher,
It's
can I-
about the choice. Look at that. It's about choice. What do we use for
Teacher,
choice?
Or
Very good. Very good, Shamir. Or. Excellent job. Jem is very tired. Dash, you will still come with us to the movie.
yet.
What will come, Wafa?
James is
Or
very
teacher.
tired. Dash. Yet.
Very good. Wanda is very happy that she has finally earned her degree. What will come?
Or
4 will come. For she has finally earned her degree done. We have done today 2 preposition worksheet. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
yes.
Now let's review the worksheet of homonym. Sorry, it was homophone. Open worksheet page number 8. Quickly open it. 2 minutes are left. It's about matching. I told you to change the heading of the page. The heading is incorrect. It's homophone, not homonym. ठीक है? Right, correct the heading. Write over the homophone. And now do this worksheet with me. Find the similar word. You have to match column A with B column. Now wait. The same word you have to find. Wait. Look at the W.
Miss number 3.
Number 3.
Very
Number
good.
3.
And number 3, wait. हम इंतजार करना और the wait wasn't जो होता है आपका, ठीक है? Both are having same sound. ठीक है?
जब हम लोग मैच करें
जी बेटो, you have to match. Now ceiling. You have to find. Look at that in B column. Ceiling.
Miss number 5.
Very good. I want everyone to unmute themselves, please. But don't interrupt during the session.
बारिश हो रही है.
You all can speak up, but unmute yourself, but do not interrupt.
सर मुझे आपसे ये पूछना पेज
बारिश हो रही है अभी
8, page number 8. I know, bete, 2 minutes are left. It's raining outside, but it's not too heavy rain. ठीक है ना?
Yes.
Come on, after the class, enjoy that. ठीक है? Now look at that piece.
number 7 not go in
Miss number 7.
Okay.
Number 7.
Okay. One is about piece जो टुकड़े को कहते हैं और one piece अमन. ठीक है ना? Site, S-I-T-E, site.
Number 1.
Excellent. Excellent job. You all can unmute yourself.
you
Now through.
11. Miss number 11.
Throw, very good. It's a, you know, this throw is a last form. It's a past form of throw. Pain.
Number 2.
13.
13. Very good. Excellent job. Weather.
2.
Number
Very
2.
good. Now, no.
12.
Excellent
Number
job.
12, teacher.
It starts from K, but K is silent over here. I told you, you all can unmute yourself. Okay, chew. Find it.
Number 4. Number 4.
Done.
Teacher,
Very
no.
good.
Number 4.
Choose. Very good.
Number 4.
Very good. Now break.
9.
Number 9.
Done. Very good. And
Number 6.
6.
okay.
Number 6.
Heart.
6.
Number 6.
Okay. Now tell me about
Number
heart.
8. Number 8. Number 8.
Okay. Excellent job. Higher. Higher. Come on quickly. Time's up.
Number
Page
14.
number 8. Worksheet 8. Aurelia, you are not taking part. We are doing worksheet set, page number 8.
30.
Miss, light issues. So
Same beta, I'm
Teacher,
also not
8.
having. I don't have electricity.
Teacher, I have done the worksheet.
Very good.
I have
Pair.
also.
Done.
I have also
today
done.
I'm handing over here the time's up.
Okay.
Time ended. Excellent job for the efforts, everyone. Thumbs up for the efforts. We'll continue the worksheet in the next classes, inshallah, after test. Find 3 worksheets we did today. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Enjoy the rainy weather. Enjoy the rainy weather.
क्या आपको रेन पसंद है?
Definitely, everyone loves it.
हरित को पसंद है.
Allah Hafiz,
You know,
teacher.
I visit my village for that. We often go Kashmir for that, just to enjoy raining. I love
तो
it.
खुल की रेनिंग होती है.
Gee. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Take good care of
Allah
yourself.
Hafiz.
Okay, Allah Hafiz, everyone.